Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you this free app is PeiaPix AI. So the powerful is image to the video generator. So I will provide this website, the link in the description box, so you can try to check it out how to use it. So first of all, when we enter this place, we can click this one, visit. So that will be here. So just wait for a second or a minute. I think it's about a second. So this page we haven't signed in, so we are not entitled to do anything further activity. For example, upload any photo. So we can sign in first. So here actually you can sign into your account for Gmail if you have a Gmail. So if you have a Hotmail, then you also can log in or register it, and totally is free. So I just sign in with my Gmail account. So after that, you just click I have read and accept these terms. So just click confirm. So bring your image to life. So check upload or drag and drop your image here to start. So now I just click here, upload this photo. I just try one of the photo download from the Pixel. The free photo pick. So after that, successful to upload. So now he is like moving and moving and moving. So before that, we try to take a look. Before I upload the photo, it look like this. So this is a 2D AI girl photo. So after I upload, there will be look like this. Wow. Okay, so now we can check edit here. Then we can click one by one. For example, animation link. So they have a 3 second. We also can adjust to about 5 second. Okay, 5 second, there will be a little bit slow down the movement. So for example, I just click the second. So that means 2 seconds. So the movable for the girl is about 2 seconds per time, I think. So now I just adjust back to the 5 seconds. So after you happy about this, you can click this one, animation style. So animation style, they have a horizontal. Okay, look like left to right, right to left. About 5 seconds. We also can click about 3 seconds. Okay, this is a 3 second. Then about this oval circle, okay, or circle, tall circle, vertical, okay, is up to you. So this one is a new perspective. Okay, how about this perspective? Okay, perspective is look like this. Okay, now I just choose this one, new features. Okay, after that, okay, I just maintain this link maybe about 3 seconds. A mode of motion, just less or regular or more. Okay, just more. Try to see. More is look like this. Less is, yep, it's called slow down. Okay, just remain the regular. Then the focus point, we can choose close, center, or far. If I don't think so, I just click far. Okay, so this background image totally will be adjusted or close. Okay, like this, just remain center. Then this is called angle dilation. Angle dilation, just try 10. How is it? Okay. Oh, this one I'm not very sure, but maybe you can try to play around. Then advanced editor, I think, or X amplitude X or Y. Okay, this one you can adjust. Okay, you can try to play around, adjust left, right, here, there. Okay, once you happy it, everything okay, just go into the deep map. Okay, we try to say deep map. Deep map, you can far, black, near white. So this one you also can resize it to becoming larger or smaller. And then the picker is about the color. Okay, and the magnetic review. Okay, everything we try to see. Preview. Okay, just look about more bigger. Okay, so for example, if I say I put back, and then the size, the size I adjust to small, big, small. Hardness I just put into the soft. Then one more time. Okay, then upload this map, save. Okay, and then if I'm happy, I can save it. So after that, just going to share. So 100% completely. So you can share your image on GIF, MP4, and Facebook 3D and so on. So you also can, this is when you share, remember to use Liana Live when you share. Okay, so I just maybe save your device MP4. Okay, MP4, save. Do you want allow download on computer? You can change website and download the file. Okay, just click allow. Just wait for a second. We're waiting about MP4. Okay, this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.